Jacqueline is a very athletic girl, very hardworking, good dancer, and ऊपर से Remo sir, director, choreographer, and I'm also known a little bit for my dancing. So I think.
Tell us how excited or nervous you are. The film is about to release.
We're very excited. We have 9 days left now for the 25th of August, and we've been promoting like crazy. But we're all just, I think, more than anything, very excited. Because we believe in this film so much, and we've, especially Tiger has worked so hard. Remo has worked so hard, and I mean, we're very proud of the film. So I just can't wait for 25th of August to happen.
Yeah.
Okay, टाइगर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? नर्वसनेस है, एक्साइटमेंट है, और जिस तरह का प्रमोशन आप कर रहे हैं, मुस्तकिल कहीं ना कहीं सिटीज में हैं, कभी बाहर हैं, कभी किसी ब्रांड से एसोसिएशन में, कितना थकाने वाला होता है प्रमोशन की अगर हम बात करें?
दोनों नर्वस और एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं। हालांकि बहुत खुश हूँ मैं, क्योंकि जहाँ भी हम जा रहे हैं, जो रिस्पांस हम दोनों को मिल रहा है, बहुत बढ़िया रिस्पांस मिल रहा है। जिस तरह से द पब्लिक रिएक्ट, ऑडियंसेस आर रिएक्टिंग हमारे प्रोमोस पे, हमारे ट्रेलर पे, तो बहुत खुश हूँ। आई थिंक फिल्म को लेकर मैं इतना नर्वस नहीं हूँ जितना मैं हीरोपंती और बागी में था।
ओके, जैकलिन, आपसे जानना है कि जैसे आपने कहा कि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं, कहीं आप किसी कुछ चोट सी लग रही है, ये ज़्यादा डालने की वजह से, या
Tiger punched me. No, Tiger would not even hurt a fly, so let alone punch me. But I think हम बहुत traveling कर रहे हैं, and एक दिन में 3 cities किया, and I think because of pressure, problems and stuff. So one day I just woke up and the doctor told me a blood vessel burst, and that's why I have a red eye.
ओके, बच्चे ज़्यादा पसंद कर रहे हैं, मैं देख रहा हूँ जिस तरह की ऑडियंस की अगर हम बात करें, बच्चे बहुत अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो प्रोमो की बात हो, चाहे वो टाइगर के लुक की बात हो, कहीं ना कहीं इंडियन सुपरमैन देख रहे हैं बच्चे, और जिस तरह का बच्चों का प्यार आपको मिल रहा है कि एक ब्रांड से भी एसोसिएट हुए थे आप, मानते हैं कि एक बार बच्चों को पसंद आने लगी तो फैमिलीज को अपने आ जाएंगे।
बिल्कुल सही बात है। आई थिंक पिछले 2 मूवीज़ में काफ़ी लकी था मैं बच्चों को लेकर। आई थिंक उन्हीं की वजह से मेरी दोनों पिक्चर चले बॉक्स ऑफिस में। आई थिंक
Yes, true.
What's your take on that? If the kids started liking your film,
absolutely,
they'll be coming most probably with their families.
Yes, I mean, more than anything, they're just such a fantastic audience to have. They're so genuine, they're so pure, and and they're such a faithful audience to have as well. So with the children, they like to take their friends with them, their families with them, and it just means that this movie is actually it's a movie for everyone. It's a family entertainer, but I feel the larger the group, the better. It's one of those films, and yes, if we can, if we have the kids on our side, then that's like half our battle won.
How was working with Jacqueline? How was the experience?
बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस। आई थिंक बहुत मज़ा आया। बहुत मेहनती लड़की है, बहुत खुश रहती है हमेशा। It's very inspiring to be around an actress who's done so many successful films and who's still willing to learn and still willing to get better every day. तो बहुत कुछ सीखा इनसे, and I'm very happy that I got a chance to work with Jacqueline so early on in my career.
क्या सिखाया?
आई थिंक बहुत ही मुश्किल सवाल है। बहुत खुश हूँ, किस्मत अच्छी है, क्योंकि we've been getting good response everywhere. जहाँ भी जा रहे थे हम बहुत अच्छे से वेलकम कर रहे थे हमें, और आई थिंक we're very lucky. आई थिंक कुल मिला के लोग बहुत खुश हैं, क्योंकि Jacqueline is a very athletic girl, very hardworking, good dancer, and ऊपर से Remo sir, director, choreographer, and I'm also known a little bit for my dancing. So I think the 3 of us coming together.
Little bit.
I think people are very happy.
I think a lot of people were excited in the beginning when they heard that Remo was pairing us together, because Tiger, who's a phenomenal dancer, and I try. But I think people, were excited to kind of just see, I think, our combination, and it was a very different. I mean, a lot of people actually said it was quite unusual as well, but I think like it was such amazing casting, especially, I mean, just making Tiger the flying jet. He really looks the part. He is the part. He can fly actually in real life. He doesn't even need harness. So yeah, it's fantastic casting, and then Nathan Jones is there.
बहुत कम कर दी बिकॉज़ उनकी स्टार फिल्म थी, क्या कहना चाहेंगे एज एन एक्टर, क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट
एकता कपूर
आई थिंक पिक्चर को लेकर बहुत खुश है. आई थिंक बहुत इस मूवी को लेकर बहुत प्रोटेक्टिव भी है, और आई थिंक इसलिए हम इतना सारा प्रमोशन भी कर रहे हैं इस मूवी को लेकर. एंड आई होप this movie becomes one of Balaji's biggest hits.
Me
So
too.
Tiger's had like a couple of hits this year, and plus Jhalak Mein Raja happening. So would you say that 2016 is going to be lucky for you? And it has been so far the luckiest year in your career?
It's been, I mean, an amazing year. For the past, people usually see the results as they happen. They have no idea what's actually happened and what has been happening in order to get there. Oh, sorry. And for the past, I would say, year and a half, this is all I've pretty much been doing. I've just been working on these 3 films. I've been, training and doing all this stuff. And, finally, this year has been, like my reward in a way, because, 2 of my films have done well. And now, fingers crossed as well, Flying Jet is coming, and it's looking so promising. And I mean, like, we're just, all you really want is for your film to do well, and that's what you work towards. So yeah, I mean, there's been a lot on my plate, but I've really been enjoying it. I've never been so satisfied with my work.